Hi guys, welcome to my walking man tutorial. This is a great position on the hoop because it's going to look like a really impressive foot hang, but it's actually not that difficult. It's also a great position if you struggle with your flexibility, or if you're feeling flexible, you can add in a great big split at the end. This might be a little bit rough on your feet the first few times you try it, so you may want to wear socks as you practice, like I'm wearing my nice yellow socks today. We're going to start this one from our basic knee hook position, so get both knees hooked on the bottom of the hoop, then place both hands on one side of your knees. Next, take the leg that is farther away from your hands and slide it out to the side of the hoop, straightening your knee and flexing your foot strongly so that you can hook your flexed foot around the side of the hoop. Unhook the leg that's still on the hoop, that's the leg that's closer to your hands, and bring it around to the opposite side of the hoop, so you should have the bottom of the hoop between your legs. Now take your free foot back through the hoop with a flexed foot to hook it around the front of the hoop nice and tight. When you feel locked in and secure with two straight legs, you can let go with your hands. To come out of it, replace your hands on the hoop, then release your front leg as you bend your back leg to hook the bottom of the hoop. Now take your knee through the hole between your leg and your arm and hook that leg alongside your other one on the bottom of the hoop, and you can come back up to a sitting position. Here's the whole thing with a spin. Pro tip, to help yourself feel secure, really push against the sides of the hoop with your legs and your feet. To add in the walking man split, you're going to do everything exactly the same up until the point where you have two straight legs with flexed feet hooked on the hoop. Then leave your back leg and the opposite hand from it on the hoop. For me, I'm using my left leg in the back, so I'm going to leave my right hand on the hoop as well. Now unhook your front leg, keep your leg behind your shoulder as you reach for your toes and pull it into a nice big split position. Then, to come out of it, release your toes, take the leg down all the way to the floor. Then, the same as coming out of the basic position, you're going to bring your knee between your leg and your arm and rehook it to come back up to sitting. Here's the split variation with a spin. Pro tip for the walking man split, if you look at the angle of my body, you can see that my leg is not really in front of me in a traditional split position, but it's actually much more to the side and a little bit behind my shoulder. This is actually going to be a lot easier for you flexibility-wise, and it's going to look really impressive. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning the walking man and the walking man split. They're both really fun moves that I think look great in any routine. And check out my channel and subscribe because I've got lots more aerial tutorials, aerial performance videos, makeup tutorials, costume videos, and a couple of really cool aerial artistic projects that will be coming out soon.